What's up guys, it's your boy Jupiter here, back at it again with another video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that small little edit I made for the intro of this video. But yes, today we're gonna take a closer look at the Ready Salt Gold Saltwater Supercars by Shell. That's right, Drifter Gang, Shell just sent in this track for me to review yesterday night, and this morning when I woke up, the first thing I did was quickly make this video and check this out. So it's getting kind of noisy in here. Maybe we should stop running the car right here. So yes, this car does run on salt water with the help of a metal plate. I'm not really sure what's the science behind this. I really sucked in chemistry back in high school, but yeah, basically salt plus water plus some electricity, or not electricity, I mean some metal plate, you know, is it like the cathode or the anode, I kind of forgot, equals power. Wow, saltwater power or saltwater supercar power, yada yada, and it's pretty cool. Let's make it go for one more round. Yeah, so it's actually fascinating. There are 3 other cars which I am gonna maybe save for another video, because I just wanted to showcase to you guys how this works. But the other ones we have is Shadow, which looks pretty cool, looks almost like a Hot Wheels car in this black color. Then we have Sun Chaser in this yellow and red color right here, and then we have Fireball, which I think is the coolest. It looks like a Porsche, right, with the you know, the wing behind and the shape. I don't know, it's just me, but yeah, those are the 3 cars. And of course the last one right here which I'm using is the Lightning. And yes, all of these cars, they do come with stickers. I'm not sure, I think it's somewhere under this pile right somewhere there, but basically I'm gonna leave it plain for now, because I think it looks kind of cool plain right here, right? I think it looks plain, it looks cool. Now for a track, it's made of sugarcane. So yeah, although it's made of sugarcane, please don't bother trying to eat it. I tried it and it doesn't work that way. But yes, these are made from recycled sugarcane, so they are not made of plastic, and they are 100% biodegradable, good for the environment. That's right. And the thing is, you can actually buy as much tracks as you want. In one box, there's gonna be 8 curves and 4 straight pieces, which is what you see right here. So imagine I have 3 more boxes. Imagine how big the track can look. One last thing is, you might be wondering, like, does this last forever? Well, the thing is, of course, you put on 3 drops in each of those holes. You shake it, and then there's gonna be 30 minutes of playtime for this car. And oh, look at that, it's bubbling. You can see the chemical reaction. And after 30 minutes and a few uses, you can't use it anymore. You gotta go to Shell to buy some more batteries. Or if you're interested, you can actually, hold on, I'm gonna have to remove this bad boy right here. If you're interested, you can actually buy like their charger. They'll provide you with this. You can use USB to charge this lithium powered batteries. And I'm gonna try to put this in with one hand, because Drifter Master 69 right here, and there's a small little switch there. The lithium ion battery is much faster. Woo! Check that out. I mean, it's pretty cool. Look at that. Pretty fast, and you can recharge it. Yep. Alright, so let's stop. That's pretty noisy. Yeah, so for this one, you can use it like pretty much as much times as you want. But yeah, that's pretty cool, right? Very nice. And there you have it. That was the unboxing of the Saltwater Supercars by Shell. And once again, thanks to Shell for sending in this awesome playset right here. If you guys are interested in getting your very own Saltwater Supercar, they will be available at your nearest Shell gas station for Singapore. For now, I'm not quite sure for international countries, but if you are in Singapore and you're interested in getting some of these bad boys right here and some of the track sets, they will be available at your nearest gas stations. And once again, thanks to Shell for sending in this set right here. So there you have it, guys, for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, watching those cars run around the track. It was pretty fun to build and play with. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Drifter Gang, Drifter signing out. Bye bye.